Little Healey 3000 coming in, and again right proper with the top down.
You can space them out if you like.
These are such beautiful cars, and they've got such a strong following. It's amazing. Of course, 6-cylinder. A lot of them have the overdrive. They were considered little Jaguars. They were about $3,500 when they were new. MGB was about $2,500. Come on. Yeah, so you owned her since 2016?
2016, yep.
Very good. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Yep.
This is
Well,
just
thank you.
gorgeous. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Oh, I will. I'm at a car show, and it's British. Life is good.
Yes.
Enjoying the two Healeys over here. Beautiful. Oh, look at this beautiful 6. This is detailed out to the max. I can't believe you're detailing on this. This is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. I didn't realize that the Austin Healey plaque was brass.
You didn't realize it was what?
It was brass. The Austin Healey on the valve cover.
This brass?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, that's not the standard valve cover.
Okay.
The standard one is just pressed steel.
Pressed steel, yeah. Okay, so this is aftermarket.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know they didn't polish everything as beautiful either. So that is great.
Well, they did on Jaguars.
Yeah. Oh, well, the Jaguar is a different animal.
Yeah,
So.
they did on Jaguars, but they didn't on Healeys. They painted them engine green, actually.
Yeah. Looks great. Looks wonderful.
A little bit of bling, what can I tell you?
Oh, you gotta have it. You really do. Looks beautiful. Now, what year is this?
64.
64, so this would be the
BJ8 Mark III.
right?
It's an early phase 2. And
Okay.
The difference between that one and this one is that he has 2 lights, I have just 1.
Correct, and your taillights are a little bit different arrangement too.
Just single tail lights.
Right. Yeah.
And
And this is 4-speed overdrive or just 4-speed?
oh, it's overdrive.
OD, very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
But it has the same rear suspension as that one.
Uh-huh.
The only difference really is the lights.
Yeah. Yeah, they didn't change
There
very
was a
much.
BJ8 phase 1, which had little honeypot lights, smaller lights than this.
Yeah.
It had smaller brakes and so on, but they only made about 1,000 of those.
This is beautiful. I'm glad you drove it with the top down.
Well, I lived nearby and I waited for the rain to stop. So.
Ah, very good. Very good. Looks great. Thanks for coming out.
Well, it's too bad that it rained on the one day of the year that
Yeah.